gonna make very delicious Indian dessert.
Gulab Jamun.
Please welcome.
Okay guys, we take 10 bread bucket. Let's crumpling it.
First remove the brown skin from the bread.
So silent. Not peeling the skin from the bread.
Peeling the bread.
Same peeling. Scrumbling the bread now nicely. We'll use this powder to make the Gulab Jamun mix.
Bread powder ready now. We'll add milk and smash it.
Adding fresh cow milk.
Okay, 4. So first we add 1 cup of milk to the powder. The bread already have some wetness, so don't add more milk to the bread. Another cup. Probably we can add 1 more cup of milk here. Okay, we are adding 1 more cup of milk here.
Okay, 1 cup of it.
Adding fresh ghee.
That guys are smashing the mix. Probably that kind of anger they have on me. Enough. Hey dude, enough. Guys, rain about to start, so we are moving to different location. We'll start from there. See you, bye. The sky is pretty clear now, so there will be no rain, hopefully.
Now chopping into small pieces.
Finally, we made it. Let's prepare sugar syrup.
Let's fire the stove and prepare the sugar syrup. Fire.
Fire, fire,
Fire.
fire.
Adding water.
Water boiled now. We'll add the sugar stone. Come on.
2.5 kg sugar stone.
We call it this as Nikandi. We call it is a kalkandu. So it is better than a sugar, white sugar. So we'll use the kalkandu to make the sugar syrup now.
Crushing the cardamom nicely. Adding some sugar stone to cardamom.
Okay, let's crush it. Smash it, crush it. Adding cardamom powder will give more aroma and flavor. So we'll add this crushed cardamom powder to the sugar syrup. So water and sugar ratio for the sugar syrup basically 1:1. Master checking the syrup consistency. Master, is it sticky?
Not sticky.
Okay, then fine. So we can put the Gulab Jamun to the syrup. Parallelly we start another stove. to fry the gulab jamun.
Pan is heated well. Adding groundnut oil. Come on.
Pour the oil. Guys, we made a special spoon to collect the gulab jamun from the pan using the coconut stick. Master. Once the ball is turned into brown, we'll take out the balls. Here it's deep fry the balls until it is turned into brown. Okay, correct. Okay, master. Lollipop மாதிரியே இருக்குது இது. Now choke the gulab jamun balls into the syrup. So basically the choking time would be over the night or 24 hours. We can serve it. Guys, finally after so many struggle today, we made the gulab jamun. So we don't have enough light, almost sunset today. So we will taste the gulab jamun. The warm syrup and the gulab jamun ball, it is melting inside the mouth. So finally the taste of gulab jamun is no. Level no. We will see the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.